Hello everyone, so we're here in the Estrecho Natural Park. As you can see at the bottom, you can see Vejer de la Frontera a little far away. It's around 40 minutes driving from here, and then we can keep going. Do you see those cliffs over there? That's the Natural Park of La Breña, and back there, I know it's a little hard to see, but that's where Cape Trafalgar is with the lighthouse. If we keep going, that's the white town of Zara de los Atunes, part of Barbate. Then we can keep going, and now we enter within the natural park of El Estrecho, where we are right now, on top of the mountain. Now Baelo Claudia over here, and on the back we can start seeing Morocco. You have pretty clear views now of it. And that mountain over here that we can see, it's where we were yesterday, at the top. And then here just behind it is where you can see Tarifa, and in the back you can see one of the Hercules mountains in Morocco side.